So yeah, it's your girl Nia Williams, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my upgraded version of my heart quartz crystal necklace. I'm going to show y'all the process, the beads that I use, where I got my products from, and just show you the end results and just the whole entire process of me making it. So hope you enjoyed this video. So first off, just to break down the basics of everything that I have. I got these beads from Amazon and Joann's or Hobby Lobby, wherever you want to get beads from. Also the crystal, I also got that from Hobby Lobby as well. The string, you can get it on Amazon. It can be the plastic elastic string. It doesn't really matter which kind you use, but this is what I start with. So of course, just putting all the beads on the string in the correct sequence that I have them on the little board thingy. And literally just taking my time, putting one bead at a time. You know, it's a process and not trying to rush it. After putting a couple beads on there, I check and see how the sequence looks. And also I start to tie the ends so that it can be secured to the actual necklace. Here in this one, I use this little clip thingy, but I don't use this in all of mine. So here I'm going to show you how I tied the beads and secured the ends of my necklace. Now, don't mind my nails. I was in the middle of transitioning from one set to another set with my nails, so you know they look crusty in this video, but you know, don't get on my ass too hard about it. All I'm doing is just putting the end of the string back through the bottom part of this bead. I don't know why I'm struggling with it though, but yeah, just like that. I pushed the bead down as far as I could so that it can be on the other beads, you know, or a little bit closer at least. So then I grabbed this little end piece. Now mind you, you do not have to put these at the end of your necklaces. This is just what I chose for this set. Usually I do them without them, but for this one I chose to put it on there for some reason. And obviously looping it around my finger and tying it in multiple knots so it can actually get secured. After getting the knot, just push it down as far as I can, close to the end parts of the beads where the bead and the clip meet. And you know, just repeat that on both ends until you get a nice thick knot. And the thick knot is just a bunch of knots layered on top of each other, just so you can secure the ends of the string, kind of something like that. After finishing the necklace, of course, you put it on a display mannequin so you can see what it looks like. And on the back, I just added some chain pieces and a hook, and that was the first layer of it. And for the second layer, I repeated the same process, the same type of putting it on the string and getting it through all the way to the ends. With the second layer, I just added a attachment ring instead of the actual fastening the beads through the other thing that I was doing. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.